It has been a long time since I've messed with a mechanical fuel pump or anything, because all the 6.2 stuff is non-rebuildable, and all my other cars have electric fuel pumps, and the Deuce and a Half has electric lift pump, but the Gasser, mechanical pump. And sometime in the last 20 years, 18 years, no, 20 years, I bought a kit, FPA 182. Then and Now Parts, I believe, is who I got it from. I don't think it's Now and Then. I think it's Then and Now. Does it say? No, I don't have any papers from. This is the old diaphragm. A little bit of cracking. You see all that? Yeah, there's some cracking in there. I mean, it lasted 70 years, so actually more than 70. But yeah, that was bad. But to get apart, of course, unscrew the screws, and the pieces, the valve body and whatnot come apart, and you got these little check valve things, 3 on one side to go let it go down, and 3 to let it come back up again, the fuel. But you have a rod here. Let me zoom in. I found another technical manual for the old Gassers. And pretty much, this is the shaft that was on mine. It had copper on the end. It went through here. That held the main arm on. And the kit came with another shaft to go right here. But through here, except mine has the, you can hear it. You can hear it making it dry, and this one here, so I make it work. It's moving air. Yeah, this one's going to work. But I couldn't push that shaft out, and I couldn't get this one, the arm off, to make this one come off. And I looked and found an old AC manual about these pumps, and it said, take a grinder, grind off the end and hammer it out. It's like, oh yeah, I like working on old American stuff where it tells you to take a grinder and a hammer to it. I like that. So I did, ground the end of this shaft off and hammered it on out. But I couldn't get this out until I got this off. Ground down where the joint is and pop that one out, got all the internals out, swap the diaphragm for one that actually flexes and doesn't have holes in it. Went to put it all back together again. I couldn't get my handle back on. And because I ground off the meat for it, I ended up just using the MIG and tacking a couple times. Now it's on and it works. So you can hear the air moving. So I'm going to put this on the truck. Hopefully it'll move fuel too. But I just wanted to say, if you have an old REO or any of the original M35 trucks that have a mechanical pump that has the priming arm, one, if you are very careful and you pull this pin here and you got to hold this stuff up, you can get everything apart without taking this arm off and this shaft off. This shaft does not have to come out. You can do it. I didn't know that until I got it apart and ground all the pieces off. But I also learned, if you take it, it's easier with this shaft gone to get it all apart and back together again. Because getting this little hook hooked on the arm, and the arm's a 2-piece arm in there, getting that hooked is very difficult with that other shaft out of the way. And with the shaft in there, it's even harder. But I just zunk, zunk, zunk with the MIG 3 times. I got it on there. It's solid. It moves. I've been playing with it. It hasn't fallen off. I'll put it on the truck and go from there. I didn't know I was going to run into. I didn't want to film for 3 hours of me screwing up while I was doing this. So this is just a wrap up. But pretty much, I would suggest the valve body in the middle, I put top and bottom just so I knew which way was which. And I left this suction hose on here so I knew which side was which. And Anything else, there's nothing else to really do. I mean, this spring is kind of difficult, but screwdriver did that, going back in. Coming out, it comes out when you pull the arm out. So not a how-to, more of a don't pull this one off. Don't grind that off unless you have to. But grinding this off, no problem. Grind it off, put a punch in there, and drive it out. That's old AC Delco, or AC, not even Delco. Delco wasn't part of them yet. AC stands for Alfred Champion. Yeah, the spark plug guy. And that's how you take a hammer or a grinder, then a hammer. I like working on those kind of things. Thank you for watching.